Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account on Blackwell Global. At the end of the video, we will reveal one helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, so be sure to stick around. Let's get started. Blackwell Global is an online, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through forex, commodities, CFDs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, ECN, Islamic and Professional accounts with 24-hour support, premium indicators, lower spreads, leverage, and faster execution. Featured platform for live and demo accounts is available on MetaTrader 4, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. If you ever require any assistance while on their website, you can click on the Chat Now button at the bottom right of the homepage here. Submit your information and your query. A support representative will then get back to you. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account with Blackwell Global. Firstly, head over to their website at blackwellglobal.com. On their homepage here, on the left side of the screen, you will see Free Demo Account. Click on Free Demo Account. Next, submit your personal information such as your account type, currency, name, mobile number, and your country of residence. After you have submitted your information, you will see a page that says your demo account has successfully been submitted. What you'll want to do next is head over to your email and verify your demo account through the link that Blackwell Global has sent you. After you have verified your account, another email will be sent to you containing your demo account credentials. If you do not see that email first, be sure to check your spam folder. After you have access to your account login information, what you'll want to do next is download and install MetaTrader 4. A link to the download will be provided in the same email as your account login information. Download and install the MetaTrader platform. After you have downloaded and installed MetaTrader 4, what you'll want to do is select the demo account server and then log in to an existing trade account with the credentials displayed in the email prior. And just like that, we're in. This is a Blackwell Global demo account on MetaTrader 4 for Windows. In the center of the dashboard here, we can see our main chart windows. You can change your chart types here from either line, candlestick, or bar charts. You can easily zoom in and out of the selected chart window with the magnifying glass buttons on the right side of the chart types buttons. To open a selected chart window into a full screen window, simply click on the full screen button at the top right of the selected chart window. At the top left of the chart window here, we can see our quick buy and sell or one-click trading option. This is where you can make quick buy and sell orders on the selected trading instrument directly from its chart window. On the leftmost side of the dashboard here, we can see our Market Watch. This displays all the currency pairs which Blackwell Global provides. If you wish to open an individual buy and sell order window for your preferred pair, simply right-click on the selected pair and click on New Order. This will then add a separate buy and sell order window, which displays some additional information and its own line chart. To add a preferred currency pair into its own chart window, simply right-click on the selected pair and click on Chart Window. This will then add the pair into its own chart in the center of the dashboard here. If you would like to add a quick buy and sell order window to your new chart, simply right-click anywhere on the chart and click on One-Click Trading. This will then add a one-click trading window to your new chart. And at the bottom left of the dashboard here, we can see all the currency pairs which we have added into their own chart windows. You can easily switch between these pairs from right here. If you ever require any assistance while using MetaTrader 4, you can click on the help button at the top left of the dashboard here. This will then display some video guides and a help topic center, which delves into various aspects of platform functionality to help you get started. Blackwell Global also features their very own trading academy, which provides various trading guides in the form of ebooks, guides in client indicators, a beginner forex trading education zone, as well as trading tutorial videos for you to browse through as you please. One helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential is to consider to never stop learning. Just like any skill in life, there will always be something more to learn. A successful trader will always be searching for new ways to trade smarter. Some key points here are to think about staying as up-to-date as possible with the latest trading news, always utilizing various trading educational books, and being involved in various webinars or schools to keep your mind and thought process active for the markets. Education is extremely important in forex trading, and as the market evolves, you should consider always learning new ways to evolve with it too. Consider your own personal education program, and every time you think you could improve on various aspects of your initial strategy, use that to constantly improve yourself during your trading activities. This in turn could be one step in becoming a more successful individual trader. And that's how to open a demo account on Blackwell Global. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which forex platform you are currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. And as always, good luck.